Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng password sa ating TikTok account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok account or yung ating TikTok app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang profile ng ating TikTok, itatap lang natin yung horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, pagka-tap, piliin naman natin dito yung settings and privacy. So, tap lang natin. And dito sa settings and privacy, punta lang tayo dito sa section ng account and then piliin nyo yung privacy. And then, piliin nyo yung account. So, ayan guys, dito sa account ng ating TikTok, piliin nyo na dito yung password. So, ayan guys, after nyan dito, ilalagay na natin yung gusto nating ipalit na password. So, make sure guys na meron siyang 8 characters. Maximum is 20 characters. So, dapat meron siyang 1 letter, 1 number, or at least 1 special character. So, to make sure guys na strong password yung ilalagay natin. So, maglagay na tayo ng ating password. And after nating maglagay or mag-create ng ating another password, make sure guys na meron siya nitong mga checkmark. Kasi kung wala yung mga checkmark, sabihin, hindi natin mai-continue yung pagpapalit natin ng password. So, kung makikita nyo guys, meron siyang continue or naka-enable yung continue. So, ibig sabihin, allowed yung password na ginawa natin. So, tap na natin yung continue. So, ayan guys, password change. So, ayan lang, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng password sa ating TikTok. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.